Hi guys, I'm Oliver from HIKUU. Essentially, HIKUU is a CMIC company, and it's a cloud solution that we've built on top of our enterprise platform. Just a quick FYI, if you see us squinting up here, it's not because we hate you or anything. There's lights that are shining in our eyes that we can't do anything about. All right, here we go. We have a mobile strategy. Our mobile strategy is a little bit different than most companies. Because we have such a rich enterprise product that we've delivered via the desktop application, we wanted to deliver something very similar on a mobile platform. So the three main tenets that we actually, our strategy involves essentially is adaptive security. What does that mean? Quite simply, your desktop security transfers over to the mobile application when you log into our servers. And this can be a hosted solution in the cloud, it can be a private cloud, it can be an on-prem solution. Doesn't matter what it is, it all applies. The second thing that we have is an adaptive UI. So we kind of took our web technologies that we had, and without losing any functionality, you're able to run the same applications within a web browser today. And last but not least, this is where we get into native apps. We actually go with the premise that you can work with the applications in real time, and more importantly, in an offline mode. This is very important to us. So just an example of our applications. These are companion applications. This is one of our mobile web skins. If you look at the top right and the top left, you're going to see that there's two hamburger buttons, drawers. I've even heard them referred to as butterfly menus. But nonetheless, when you hit those menus, what they do is they bring out a set of applications. So it allows the user to maximize the real estate as they use the fully enabled web application without losing any functionality. So if I go to a different view, you'll see that the other side of the screen gives you an action drawer. So when I hit that drawer, it brings out a set of action buttons so I can continue using the application. A few more examples of our application. This is our mobile field application. This is designed for a project manager, a site super, anyone out in the field. It delivers real-time data when you're connected. When you're in offline mode, any of your actions are cached in a secured manner on the device, and when you connect, it simply synchronizes with the server. Okay? This is the long list of mobile applications that we are providing within the field space. So as you can see, from our mobile applications, you're able to manage contacts, create and edit RFIs, create and edit daily journals, punch list checklists, and so on. I'm not going to go through the entire list. It's a very extensive list, but essentially our next version of project management is completely mobile enabled. You'll be able to perform all of these actions in the field in a disconnected or a connected manner. Another nice complementary application that we have is our ECM solution. This allows you to essentially create an electronic briefcase that you can bring with you, and once again, work in full offline and offline mode. Standard document management activities apply to this. You're allowed to check in, check out, create documents. I can quickly, from my iPad, take a picture and link it to an issue and a communication against the project that I have access to. Right. This is just a different view of one of the objects. You're actually looking at how we merge data and documents together, all within the same interface and within the same database. Once again, just a drawing. Our viewer allows you to do markups and so on. One of the other applications that we offer is a time tracker application. We have two flavors of this. One is a crew time applications that is designed for supers and foremen, where you can actually track the time of the people on site. This is a personal time tracker application. The key difference with this application than most other applications, I got a minute left, is it actually allows you to enter fully cost-coded time from your mobile device. This means that when I press that submit button, it follows the standard e-time or timesheet workflow that then flows into my financial system. So it's not a siloed system, it's actually speaking back to the back end. Last but not least, once the time is entered, that time goes through an approval process, and the person who's approving my time can actually use our mobile approval application to get that approval done while they're actually out on the road. Okay, thank you, and that's it for me.